Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change a Chevy Malibu headlight. Before we begin, safety is paramount. First, gather your essential tools: a flathead screwdriver, a 10mm socket wrench, and your replacement bulbs. Always ensure your vehicle is completely turned off and the engine is cool to the touch. For an added layer of safety, disconnect the negative battery terminal. This simple step helps prevent any accidental electrical shorts while you are working on your vehicle's lighting system. Now that we've covered safety, let's get to accessing the headlight. Open your vehicle's hood and look for the two 10mm bolts that secure the headlight assembly in place. Using your 10mm socket wrench, carefully remove both of these bolts. Once the bolts are out, gently pull the entire headlight assembly straight forward. It should slide out of its mounting clips with a little steady pressure, giving you full access to the bulbs. With the headlight assembly removed, replacing the bulb is straightforward. First, disconnect the electrical connector from the back of the old headlight bulb. This usually involves pressing a small tab and pulling. Next, rotate the bulb counterclockwise about 1/4 of a turn. This will unlock it from the housing. Carefully pull the old bulb out. Now, insert your new bulb, ensuring you do not touch the glass. Twist it clockwise until it securely locks into place. Then reattach the electrical connector. You're almost done. Now it's time to put everything back together. First, ensure the electrical connector is firmly attached to your new headlight bulb. Next, carefully slide the entire headlight assembly back into its mounting clips. You should feel it click securely into position. Reinstall the two 10mm bolts you removed earlier, tightening them snugly but not excessively. Finally, reconnect your negative battery terminal. Turn on your vehicle and test your new headlight to ensure it is working perfectly.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.